In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up custom brand guidelines in AdCreative AI so you can streamline your ad creation process while keeping your brand's message consistent. If you're new to AdCreative AI, stick with me till the end because I'm not only going to walk you through the setup, but also reveal how you can use this software for free with some exclusive bonuses. AdCreative AI is a powerful tool that can create high-performing ad creatives in seconds, but to really make the most of it, you need to set up your custom brand guidelines. Setting these up is crucial because it ensures your ads stay aligned with your brand's voice, colors, fonts, and overall aesthetic. That means no more worrying about manually adjusting every ad to match your brand. AdCreative AI takes care of it for you. First, after logging into AdCreative AI, head over to the Brand Guidelines section in the dashboard. Here, you'll start by uploading your brand's logo and choosing the primary colors that represent your business. This is important because AdCreative AI uses these elements to ensure that the ads it generates are visually consistent with your brand identity. Now let's talk fonts. You'll want to upload the fonts you typically use for your ads. AdCreative AI allows you to upload custom fonts if needed. If you're unsure about what fonts to choose, I recommend sticking to ones that are easy to read and suit your brand's tone, whether that's a formal, playful, or techie feel. Having the right fonts ensures that your ad copy doesn't just stand out, but also reflects the personality of your brand. Next, you'll be able to input specific guidelines for the tone and style of your ads. Do you want your ads to be friendly and conversational or more professional and direct? AdCreative AI lets you define these guidelines so every creative stays on brand with your messaging. This feature is a game changer for businesses that need consistency across different ad creatives while saving time. After setting these guidelines, you can start generating ads. AdCreative AI will use the information you've input to create multiple ad designs that fit your brand's identity, so you don't have to worry about constantly reviewing every design. It automates the process while ensuring your ads look professional and on brand. What's great about AdCreative AI is that it doesn't just help with visuals. The tool also includes copywriting features, so if you've set up your brand guidelines with a certain voice in mind, AdCreative AI will tailor the ad copy to match. This means you can get not only the visuals, but also the messaging right from the start. Once your guidelines are set, you'll find it's easy to maintain brand consistency across all your campaigns. Whether you're running ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google, or other platforms, AdCreative AI can generate the perfect ad creative each time, saving you tons of time and effort. One of the coolest parts is that you can preview the ads in real time. After setting up your brand guidelines, AdCreative AI will show you variations of the ads with your logo, colors, fonts, and tone all integrated. You can make tweaks if needed or simply hit generate and let the AI do its thing. Now, if you're interested in trying out AdCreative AI yourself, you're in luck. I've got a special deal for you. You can access this software completely free through the first link in the description below, plus get exclusive bonuses. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to set up custom brand guidelines in AdCreative AI and how it can save you time while keeping your ads consistent. Don't forget to take advantage of the extended free trial linked below and start automating your ad creatives the right way.